Hello guys, this is Masi Ahmadi and in this video we are going to create glass material in Blender 5.2 LTS, which is really simple these days. Okay, let's start. First, let's divide our Blender scene into two sections. Here, go to shader editor, add a new material, and we have Principled BSDF. We can use it now for glass. Just decrease the roughness. So we have a reflective material. IOR of glass is 1.5 or 1.6. This one is fine. And here in transmission, you can put the weight to 1. That's it, your glass is ready. But there's a new option in Blender 5.2 LTS, which is thin wall. We can use it for paper, leaves, or window glass, for example. Let's test it. Okay, let's copy this material and we use this with thin wall. By the way, you can change the color here to any color that you like. Let's do the same for these two. And that's it. This one is the easiest glass shader in Blender. And if you want to see the easiest water shader in Blender, you can see this video.